Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to fix the Google Gemini image generation issues, if your photo is not being created, if you're getting that problem, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So you can just go over and update the Gemini app. For that, go to the Play Store and look out for any kind of available updates. So search and find Play Gemini here. And once you find Gemini, you can look out for the update if there is any kind of update available for the Gemini. So tap on update and confirm it up and update the application to the latest version. Apart from that, you can go ahead and clear the cache and cookies for the application. Go to your settings for that. And once you access the device's settings, you can scroll down, find the option for apps and tap on it. And from there, go ahead and look out for Gemini. So tap on search and search for Gemini here and tap on it. And once you tap on Gemini, you need to go over and scroll down, find the option for storage, and then go ahead and look out for the clear cache option. Also clear the data if necessary and resolve the potential data related issues. Apart from that, restart your phone. A simple restart should fix many temporary glitches. Look out for the restart option after you hold the power button and confirm it up, and that way you can restart your Google Gemini's application itself and access the application itself. And what you can do is, if the application is not working, you can try generating images on the Gemini website. So for that, head over to Chrome and go ahead and access it at your website. So let's go over and search for gemini.google.com. And once you find it up, you can look out for the official site, this one right here, and try accessing the website instead of the Gemini application and see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, it may be with the issue with the server itself. So you can just go over and try creating up a new chat as well, because sometimes AI gets confused in long conversations. So a new chat can resolve the issue. You can try doing so as well. Also, when you're trying typing in the prompts, don't do it over complex or long prompts that can trigger the safety filter. So you can try a simple and more direct request and avoid asking for multiple images in a single prompt, and that will fix the issue. Apart from that, if there is any kind of issue, you can report it directly to the Gemini team, and that is how you can fix that issue for now. So you may follow it out. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.